Take one onion and a jar lid. A friend from China taught me this trick, and what you can do with them is amazing. Choose large, nice onions. Peel them if needed and cut off the stem ends. Clean the roots but don't cut off too much. Place the prepared onion on the jar lid. Cut it in half. The lid will prevent you from cutting all the way through. Now, slice it again crosswise and continue cutting as shown in the video. This way, you'll slice it into many parts, but the onion won't fall apart. It will look like a flower. Do the same with the other onions, exactly as with the first one. Take a large bowl and fill it with water. Soak the sliced onions in the water for 1 hour, then dry them. In a separate bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk them into a smooth mixture. Add 100 milliliters of milk and whisk again. In another dish, prepare flour. Add salt, pepper, and sweet paprika, mixing them well into the flour. Now take the first onion. It should be fairly dry by now. Dip it in the egg mixture thoroughly, especially in the cuts. Then coat the onion in the flour mixture, making sure it's well covered. Heat oil in a pot. Place the onion in the oil and fry it until golden brown. Turn it over to fry the other side well. Once done, place it on a plate. Serve with tomato sauce. Simply pull apart individual petals of the onion and enjoy their unique flavor.